Are you tired of the same old ways to make money online? Want to try something different? Introducing 3 easy weird ways that people are making thousands online. First up, we have napvertising. Yes, you heard it right. You can make money by simply sleeping. Companies will pay you to have their ads placed on your body while you take a nap. It's that simple. Next, we have pet sitting in virtual reality. You can make money by taking care of virtual pets in a virtual world. People are willing to pay real money for you to feed, groom, and play with their digital pets. It's like having a pet without the mess. And finally, we have professional cuddling. Believe it or not, there are people willing to pay for professional cuddles. You can make money by scheduling cuddle sessions with strangers and providing them comfort and warmth. It's a unique way to earn. These weird ways may sound unusual, but they have proven successful for many individuals. Not only can you make thousands online, but you can also have fun while doing it. So, if you're looking for a change and want to explore unconventional ways to make money, give these 3 weird methods a try. You never know, you might just discover a new passion and a profitable income stream. Remember, thinking outside the box can lead to great opportunities. So why wait? Start making thousands online today. Subscribe now for more ways to make money online. Also leave a comment to get a chance to win free money every month.